In today's dynamic business landscape, juggling multiple projects, managing teams, and keeping track of finances can feel like a high-wire act without a net. This is where robust business management software steps in, offering a centralized platform to streamline operations and boost efficiency. Among the myriad of options available, Scoro stands out as a comprehensive solution designed to connect various aspects of your business. But what exactly is Scoro? It's more than just a project management tool. It's an end-to-end work management platform built to help businesses organize, automate, and optimize their workflows. Think of it as a digital command center for your entire operation, bringing together project management, sales, CRM, customer relationship management, billing, and reporting into one unified system. For those new to the world of business management software, or even seasoned professionals seeking a deeper understanding, this article will serve as your comprehensive guide to Scoro. We'll break down its core functionalities, explore its benefits, and illustrate why it has become a go-to solution for businesses across various industries. The core pillars of Scoro. What makes it tick? To truly grasp the meaning of Scoro, we need to delve into its key components. These pillars work in harmony to provide a holistic view of your business and empower you to make informed decisions. 1. Project management, the heart of operations. At its core, Scoro is a powerful project management platform. It goes beyond simple task lists, offering a structured environment to plan, execute, and monitor projects of any complexity. Key features within this pillar include project planning and scheduling. Define project scope, break down tasks into manageable subtasks, assign responsibilities, and set realistic deadlines. Scoro's visual Gantt charts provide a clear overview of project timelines and dependencies, allowing you to identify potential bottlenecks and ensure timely completion. Resource management. Effectively allocate your team's time and skills to the right tasks. Scoro allows you to track resource availability, identify potential over or under allocation, and optimize workload distribution for maximum efficiency. Time tracking. Accurate time tracking is crucial for project costing and billing. Scoro offers various methods for team members to log their time, ensuring accurate records of billable and non-billable hours. Task management and collaboration. Create, assign, and prioritize tasks, fostering seamless collaboration among team members. Real-time updates, file sharing, and communication tools integrated within the platform keep everyone on the same page. Progress monitoring and reporting. Track project progress against planned timelines and budgets. Scoro provides insightful reports on task completion, resource utilization, and project profitability, allowing you to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven adjustments. 2. Sales and CRM. Nurturing client relationships. Scoro seamlessly integrates sales and CRM functionalities, enabling you to manage your customer interactions from initial contact to deal closure and beyond. This interconnectedness ensures a smooth flow of information between your sales and project teams. Key features include lead management. Capture and qualify leads, track their progress through the sales pipeline, and manage all communication in one central location. Contact management. Maintain a comprehensive database of your contacts, including clients, prospects, and partners. Store important information, track interactions, and segment your audience for targeted communication. Sales pipeline management. Visualize your sales process, track deals through different stages, forecast revenue, and identify potential roadblocks. Quoting and invoicing. Create professional quotes and invoices directly within the platform, streamlining the billing process and ensuring accuracy. Communication tracking. Log emails, calls, and meetings associated with each contact or deal, providing a complete history of interactions. 3. Billing and finance. Ensuring financial health. Scoro's billing and finance features help you manage your revenue streams and gain a clear understanding of your financial performance. This integration eliminates the need for disparate accounting systems and reduces the risk of errors. Key features include invoice management. Create and send professional invoices based on track time, project progress, or fixed fees. Automate recurring invoices and payment reminders to ensure timely payments. Expense management, track project-related expenses, categorize them, and link them to specific projects or clients for accurate cost accounting. Financial reporting, generate insightful reports on revenue, expenses, profitability, and other key financial metrics, providing a clear picture of your business's financial health. Integration with accounting software. Seamlessly integrate with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks to ensure data consistency and streamline your financial workflows. 4. Planning and scheduling, optimizing resource allocation. Beyond individual project scheduling, Scoro offers broader planning and scheduling tools to optimize resource allocation across your entire organization. This ensures that the right people are working on the right tasks at the right time. Key features include calendar and task views. Gain a visual overview of team members' schedules, deadlines, and tasks, facilitating efficient planning and coordination. Meeting and appointment scheduling. Schedule meetings and appointments directly within the platform, linking them to relevant projects or contacts. Resource availability management. Track team members' availability, holidays, and time off to avoid conflicts and ensure adequate resource allocation.